right, good morning. We're going to be looking at the human senses gizmo today. First, the warm-up, some very easy questions to go with this. Different types of information your body can detect from the outside world. Well, what are your five senses? Sight, hearing, taste, touch, smell. Pretty simple. What organs does your body use to collect the information that we just described? Well, what do you see with? You see with your eyes, smell with your nose, feel, this is with your nerve endings, with skin, taste, pretty easy one, tongue, and hear with your ears. So with this one, the warm-up, it's asking you to look at a few things. We'll go ahead and take a look at the gizmo now. It's asking you to drag an apple slice into the stimulus, and then it's asking you to drag an eye into the sensory organ. Hit play, and it's asking you to see what you observe. Well, it tells you how it goes through here. Light receptors at the back of the eye are activated by incoming light. The nerve cells transmit light signals to the brain. Visual cortex in the brain processes the signals to create the perception of image. Two, for the introduction there on the warm-up, is asking how do you know the eye senses the apple. You can see the pathway and tells you down there. And the last one, neural pathway, represents the nerves that connect the sense organ to the brain. What happens along the neural pathway when the eye sees the apple? It's asking you to describe what is right there. As for the remainder of this gizmo, you can take a look at all the different things, and you can see how, we can use the apple. You can see how the tongue perceives it. You can see how your nose perceives it. You can see how touch perceives it. And you can even see how hearing. Didn't think there'd be something with sound, but it breaks it apart, so it does work. Second tab, we're looking at the sense organs, and it gives you a pathway of how the signals go with all of the different ones. We'll do an example really quick of the eye. And you can see how all the signals are transmitted into the brain. And again, you can see little descriptions up there. Here we can see all the labels involved in everything, rods and cones, and lens and retina. All right, there we go. There's our introduction for this. We'll discuss a little bit more in class, and we'll have a little bit more in depth on Wednesday or Thursday.